Ah! Dude! Did you hear that?
What?
That!
It's nothing.
Dude, it's definitely something. No. Dude, I think it's a bear.
Why should I deal with you?
I'm being serious, man. Why you always gonna be like that? There is something out there.
It's not a bear. They all died in California.
All the bears are dead.
The grizzlies. Why do you think it's our national bear?
We have a national bear?
Go back to bed.
No, we're in danger. Dude, there it is again.
I do hear that.
Go check it out, man.
You check it out.
You're the buff one.
Alright, push me out the tap.
Okay.
Oh, what's the question? Oh, you've already said it. Yeah, ask her.
Hey man, you see any bears around here?
Bears?
You should call her, actually.
You guys should go camping.